Kubli shibun ya ikong stelenda khasan ya kijing sam hapreng jungi ya kijing shem kijing pi halagashnong but haba pi ai nuksa haba ide bat ka cafe ni sngo tenat ba pi kami du jingkermen banang scam banang ni shmat kibriu ki babun kindang wan bandrung banyo ban bam igi jing bam ki babang ki ba pi shat hapo ka cafe banang scam ru ba om tang kanong wa henrei bagitu ki weipat ki snong ru ki badan kitu ki weipat ki khat saw tuli ki snong ki bangilayo ban pentulun ya kene ka project ka jungi kilayo ya ke jing mentoy ka ba shibun bat ka ba shikat dai
Kado jong ni upanding gade rukudingka tenang ta ni jong ni upanding sat imatu ni pangarun riukau sisong mo ini uke krai ni black tea gade chispa pengka kado jong ni gade chispa pengka nang ta uni neli kado jong ni neli gade ars pasan pro kilo mo bakunda boleh sorry ada nak
khap ma mo fenra product ni
une usa khampak pa semen dum ko une dai unya sa sangi ki drup ho da jeng krai pensim kini kita tu di u hadi basat bu komsat imam ni komsat tu ini basat ni laju ham tu di sing sing long mit tu bu kenapa man nên được
Sao anh muốn tặng
complex carbohydrates and fiber, giving warmth and sustained energy. These chives chutneys also reflect the wild herbs which gathered from the forest edges, connecting us to nature and also which provide us protective phytonutrients. So you will see there in the menu we have soups, we have courses wise. So I'll just go on so we can just serve you one by one courses later. So our warm chicken soup carries the story of comfort. Traditionally, this broth was prepared by families during the colder evenings for healing, for strength and for togetherness. Nutritionally, it provides high quality protein, essential amino acids and minerals that support immunity, muscle repair and recovery. Warm soups also aid hydration and digestion during winter. The meat and fish dishes tell stories of balance. These are the foods that sustain the livelihoods of the communities. And at the heart of the meal, you will see the local staples, rice, which anchors this meal, reminds us that food security begins within our fields. Rice provides essential carbohydrates for energy, forming the foundation of daily nourishment. The rice cooked with perilla seeds adds a nutty aroma and enriches the meal with healthy fats, calcium and antioxidants, which can transform everyday meals into nutrient-dense sustenance. Our winter side celebrates seasonal abundance. The potato and wild greens stir fry reflects the close relationship between cultivated crops and the forest foods. Potatoes provide energy and potassium, while wild greens provide the pumpkin. It's a sweet, warm and shared among the families, which is rich in beta-carotene, supporting the eye health and immunity, and its natural sweetness reduces the need for excess sugar. So finally, we end with the dessert, that is a finger millet pancake, which is made from a traditional grain once considered humble, but now recognized as a superfood. Finger millet is rich in calcium, iron, dietary fiber, and slow-releasing carbohydrates. It supports bone health, blood health, and also sustained energy, while also being the climate resilient and environmentally sustainable. Millet represents resilience, climate adaptation, and the wisdom of our ancestors, nourishing both people and the planet. So this winter table meal, it's not only a meal, but a celebration of our local food system. It's a tradition to our traditional knowledge. It's a demonstration that our traditional diets are not only culturally rich, but also nutritionally powerful. And it is a reminder that sustainable nutrition begins with honoring what grows around us. Thank you, and we invite you to enjoy not just the food, but also the stories and nourishment within every dishes. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what. That's the best part because others can also understand. That's why that would.
Boleh hibur bro yang akan next fast.
Đây thế này, ta tay ra thì sauce une sau theo, une she's
Kita dah kendau syadu syabneng kipur kita kishlei kisan kihe malakas ngi bat kelang tendong skor bat chuyas ngap manga mapi kibam das no shongdor unikin lok ukun kasih shitro shikatei nadu dang lom ubnai kasngi uladan apartheid unekin kun ipa imay usdang bat kdaw lenti hang no ka hakaman ublay mandaban yapan daw upay si yupna shisha utab lebat uslay mencuapi mod ukren birya mentakish kor kipay hukum kentang kasih ubun natray syadu syakliar yaki ba ublay hi usyun te ukiar Hakane ka jing ruai menta Kapan ibu kasih Ontang butip kana Birya nede tang kana tang Marolok pin lingo shisha Bledei da ki parshi Kiba ma ulayo Ulayo Ya kiwi pat kisi Boleh cuba.
Sky F nasa Rama bas Pi julai kelang-kelang mili program
Tunang perkatku kun ngembi beting kijing Kadang dan aku ime Kistin jadi jauh Kistin bodeng na kinublay Kadang may kisi kendo Ruka terkon ng buwan syusyo Tunang perkatku kun ngembi beting kijing Yang say kisar babuan na ye Kistin jadi jauh Kistin bodeng na kinublay Kakrang kakiw padon kinong pinsay Takot ripatik lay kidon kinong syarat Kadoy ngenday badak Maro ngenday badak Napateng kijing yalet Hidey balapan isle Atong isyaw mo ya jingkot Ato ya donong ikampang smin Day mangiban lang Wan raka jing kenang Kentiw ka lama ka jing shisha Tunang berkat ko kun ngemdi bating ya kijing Yan say kisur babun na yung ipangin yayale Asrun ka pa ng don na po ime Ditin jali jaong kisur mo nang nakirublay Tunang berkat ko kun ngemdi bating ya kijing Yan say kisur babun na yung ipangin yayale Asrun niya nga ko kun ka pa ng don na po ime Ditin jali jaong kisur mo nang nakirublay Tunang berkat ko Adu kipor pangadang long ngadang kena ngamju perkan ru tang jing ngobha